Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel CAD Tutorial. I am Muhammad Adeem Sir, and in this video we comes to know that how to make a simple switch. So first of all, click on the top plane and then sketch. Now take a line, click on this point and write horizontal and then inclined. Now give its dimension, make it 5 millimeter. Now select these 2 points and make it 25 millimeter. Give it horizontal width is 10 millimeter. Okay. Now take another line, click on this point and write vertical. Select smart dimension, make it 18 millimeter. Okay. Take a line, click on this point and up to here. Now take a line and join these 2 points. Click on this line and make it for construction. Now select mirror entity. Select all these lines and mirror about this line and make it okay. Now move on the feature tab, select extrude boss, make it mid plane and 7 millimeter. Okay. Now click on this face and then sketch. Pick center rectangle, click on this point and right here. Select smart dimension, make it 32 millimeter and its vertical height is 10 millimeter. Take another line and write from this point. Give its dimension, make it 5 millimeter. Okay. Now take a line and join these 2 points and then join these 2 points. Click on this line and make it for construction. Take another line and write from this point. Select mirror entity, select these lines and mirror about this line. Select trim entity, trim all the inner lines and this outer line. Now move on the feature tab. Select extrude boss, make it 3 millimeter. Okay. Now click on this face and then sketch. Take a line, click on this point and write horizontal. Now give its dimension, make it 11 millimeter. Okay. Now take a circle, click on this point and write here. Select smart dimension, make it 2.7 millimeter. Okay. Now move on the feature tab, select extrude boss, select this circle and make it 7 millimeter. Now click on this face and then sketch. Take another circle and write from its center. Give its dimension. Make it 3.8 millimeter. Okay. Again move on the feature tab and select extrude boss. Make it 8.7 millimeter. Okay. Now select mirror command. Select right plane and select this feature. Okay. Right here dome command. Select dome. Make it 2 millimeter. Now click on this face and make it okay. Again select dome command. Click on this face and make it okay. Now give it. Now select fillet command. Select all these edges. Make it 1 millimeter. Okay. Again select fillet command. Select this edge and make it 1 millimeter. Now this time select this edge and make it 0.5 millimeter. Okay. Now give it appearance. Select plastic. Select all these spaces. Now give it background appearance. Select scenes and basic scene and then rooftop. Now save this part. Now close this window. Now if you want to render the image, just open Solidworks Composer. Select File. Now move on the Render tab. Select Mirror command and then Shadow. Select Ambient Vision and select High Contrast. Now you see that our part is completed and is rendered by Solidworks Composer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.